Children, Sai Ram. So let's continue chapter number 7, Factors and Multiples, part 4. So children, last class we were doing exercise 7.1. We will continue that exercise. So question number 4 is write the first 10 prime numbers. So what is a prime number, children? Yes. Prime number is the number which has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. It cannot be divided exactly by any other number other than 1 and itself. Then if you might remember the examples that like 2, 3, 5, 7, isn't it? So the smallest prime number is, what is the smallest prime number, children? So the smallest prime number is 2. So we will start with the first 10 prime numbers. So what will be the first prime number? It will be 2. Then after 2, what will be the next prime number? 3. What about 4? Is it a prime number? No, that is a composite number. So after that, after 4, 5 is a prime number, then 7, then what about 8 and 9? 8, 9 and 10, are they prime? No, they are composite. Then 11, it's a prime number. Then 13, then 17, then 19, then 23, and then 29. Now we have 10 prime numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the first 10 prime numbers. Okay, we started with the smallest prime number, which is 2. Okay, then we kept counting till we get the first 10 prime numbers. Okay, so if you see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. These are the numbers, these are the prime numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and itself, the number itself. Okay, they are not completely divisible by any other number except 1 and itself. Okay, so these are the first 10 prime numbers. Now let's move to the next question. Now question number 5 is write T for true and F for false. So the statement, the first one is the smallest prime number is 1. So is it true? Is it true? The smallest prime number is 1. Is it true, children? No, it's false, because what is the smallest prime number? Yes, the smallest prime number is 2. Okay. Now the question number B is 7 is a prime number. The statement number B is 7 is a prime number. So is 7 a prime number? Yes, it is a prime number because it has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. And apart from that, it is not completely divisible by any other number. So it's a prime number. So the statement is true. Now statement number C is the smallest factor of every number is 1. So is it true, children? Yes, it is true, because we always start, if you remember, when we used to write the factors of any number, then we always started with 1. So the smallest factor of every number is 1. That is true. So we will write T there. Got it, children? Now let's move to the next question. Now question number 6 is express the following composite numbers as a product of their prime factors. Use division method. So question number B is 124. what we have to 124 is a composite number, children, isn't it? Then it's been asked to write it as a product of its prime factors, and we have to use here the division method. So for division method, what do we do? First we will draw a vertical line like this, a vertical line, and then we will draw some horizontal lines like this to divide it, to show it as a product of its prime factors. Now we will look for the first number which will divide this, which by which it will be, this number will be divisible. So we will start with 1 only, okay, because 1 is the factor of every number. So let's start with 1 only. So what we will get? We will get 124 only. Now if you see, children, at the ones place you see the digit is 4, which shows that it is an even number. So it will be divisible by 2. So let's start with 2. Let's divide it by 2. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4. Now again you just look at the ones place. We have 2 here, which is an even number. So again it will be divisible by 2. So let's divide it again. So what we will get here? 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. Now we have 31. So there, children, this 31 is a prime number. So it will be divisible by itself only. So we will go for 31 ones, because we have to keep on dividing till we get the last digit, the last factor as 1. Okay. So what will be the, how we will show this number as a product of its prime factors? So we will write it like this: 124 is equal to 1 into, you leave 1, you start with 2 here. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 31. Okay, children. So in this way we will show number 124 as the product of its prime factors. Now you can see this 2 here and then 31. These are the prime numbers. And we have shown here number 124 as the product. Product means when we multiply the number and the result that we get, that is product after multiplying. So here we have shown 124 as the product of its prime factors. Okay, 2 is a prime number, then 31 is also a prime number. Okay. Now in the same way, let's move to the next question. Now question number C is, again we have to here show this, express this number 100 as the product of its prime factors. So again we will draw one vertical line and some horizontal lines like this. Then we will write 100 here. So again, children, just see the digit at the ones place is 0. That shows that it is an even number and it will be divisible by 2. So we'll start with 2. 2 5s are 10, and then we'll write this 0. Now again, because at the ones place we have 0, so again it will be divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4. When we will subtract 4 from 5, we will get 1 as remainder. So now we have 1 0 10. So 2 5s are 10. Now 25 will be divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25, and then 5 1s are. So how we will write 100 as the product of its prime factors? It will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay. So in this way we will write 100 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay. So here we have written 100 as the product of its prime factors. Got it, children? Now let's move to the next question. Now question number D is, here we have to express 275, which is again an composite number, okay, because it will be divisible by 5. Why? Because the digit at the ones place is 5. So it will be divisible by 5. So let's first write it here, 275. Now we'll divide this by 5. So 5 5s are 25. So when 25 will be subtracted from 27, we'll get 2. We will write it just above that next digit. So now we have 25. So 5 5s are 25. Now again by 5 we will divide this. So 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Now 11 is a prime number. Okay, so it will be divisible by itself only. So 11 1s are. Okay, so how we'll write 275? We will write 275 as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11. Okay, so in this way, children, we write any composite number as the product of its prime factors using division method. Okay, children, these all questions you will write in your notebook, children. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.